Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Toya Ray and I'm a licensed hairstylist here in Atlanta, Georgia. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for tuning in. Please make sure you join the family and hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload, and also make sure you thumbs up this video so other goddesses like yourself can be notified of my videos. If you are one of my A1 day ones, you guys already know I appreciate and love you guys so much for always supporting my channel and coming back to watch another video. Thank you so much. As you can see in the video, we are doing a slay with a sew in. And of course, I am using hair from my hair extension company, The Ray Effect. The link is in the description box, so please make sure you check it out. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking in this video. Just wanted, to introduce myself to anyone new who's watching. Say thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my day one A1s for coming back for another video. Watch and enjoy this slay.
Over it, or could it be that I'm aggravated? Why you be acting like you was the man? I'm not a fan. What do you not understand? Remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night, all I did was cry. Said remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night, and all I did was cry. Why you acting all hard through the breakup? The only back around here is my makeup. I'm too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. Don't wanna be bothered. Tryna be with you, you tryna be with me, but you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over. So move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. I think it's all overrated. Or could it be that I'm jaded? I don't love you no more. I'm ready to explore. So long to you, thought I knew you. Guess I didn't have your heart. No, so long to you, thought I knew you. I'm ready for a brand new start. Acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. You're putting on too much, call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. Boy, I'm tired. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me. Cause it's over, so move over, move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. One check, keep it moving. Bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Ooh, don't you even think about it. You keep coming back, I'm not about it. Done. Thought you was the one. Boy, back to where you're from. I'm tired. Boy, I'm tired. I wanna be. I'm tryna be with you. You're tryna be with me. But you've been fired, so get away from me. Cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Boy, bye, goodbye. It's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Bye, boy, bye, goodbye.
They say a drunk mind speaks over thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes. Instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, tryna act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing. You don't like being apart. You told me you miss me and you need me, that you love more than my body. I caught you off guard, you falling real hard. Well, sorry, I'm not sorry. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions.
We be going through these same old things every time. When I stop communicating, you hitting my line, asking about my whereabouts and if you still.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. She loved it. I loved it. Look at that melt. It came out absolutely gorgeous. And yes, her unit is glueless. I only do glueless sew-ins. Once again, this hair can be purchased from The Ray Effect at therayeffect.com. Look, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I loved it. If you like this install, please make sure you thumbs up the video, share the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join my little family here on YouTube. Till the next time, guys, have a good one.
You know that I only roll with real ones, not the type to front or make me feel